Hi, my name is Nisha and my press is over 3.5 weeks old. So I need to re-moisturize it and detangle it today. Let me show you how I do that. I'll be using a medium tooth rat tail bone comb, Olaplex number 6, and Moroccan oil serum. Okay. I'll also be using alligator clips that I got from Reversion. To complete this process, I'm just going to section off a piece of my hair, apply a creamy moisturizer to it, and comb it through. It will air dry on its own. Before we get started, I'm just going to show you my scalp. It takes many weeks for my scalp to get dry or the beginning of dandruff to start. So today we're going to leave my scalp alone and I'm just going to focus on re-moisturizing my hair and detangling it. I take a small amount of the Olaplex, emulsify it in my hands, and about 1 to 2 inches down, I'm just going to spread it all over my strands to the ends. Then I will begin to comb it through and I'll leave it alone to air dry. Once I said air dry, some of you may have wondered how my hair is not reverting, if this product is making my hair damp, or you may be thinking that I must have heat damage, but no, I don't have heat damage and I do dampen my hair. But the reason why this is working is because I did not silk press my hair when I pressed it. I actually did what is called a hard press. So let me give you a little bit of context to that. Now, when I hard press my hair, I am not going for weightless. And I know that's distinctly different than what people are used to when they are trying to apply a weightless product to damp hair for a silk press. But when I hard press my hair, I'm intentionally very heavy-handed when it comes to applying my leave-in heat protectant to deep conditioned hair before the blow dry. Also, when I blow dry my hair, I blow dry it very straight. When I flat iron my hair, I turn my flat iron up anywhere between 410 and 450. On December the 21st, I did indeed use 450, and I silk my hair, slick it out as straight as I can get it. Now, there are a few disadvantages to this. For example, if you're looking at my hair now, my ends look kind of thin. They look a lot thinner than they would be if I had regular pressed it or soft pressed it. Also, it does weigh your hair down more than a soft press, but there is a use for it in my hair regimen, and that use is I knew that I was pressing my hair in the wintertime, and when it's been raining off and on these past 3 weeks, I've been caught in drizzle and my hair didn't revert. Also, if I go into a hot steamy shower, my hair isn't going to revert in the moments that I'm in there. Another thing is if I'm sweating or exercising like strenuously, I don't really sweat a lot of my scalp. That's just a quality that I have in my biology. I don't sweat a lot of my scalp. But let's say my back gets sweaty, which happens for me, and my hair falls down and it brushes across my back. Even if it touches my sweaty back, my hair is not going to revert. So I say all of that to say there are occasions where I do prefer a hard and heavy press that's going to keep my hair moisturized and tangle free for 3 weeks before I have to re-moisturize it, and it's going to keep my hair from drying out in frigid temperatures and will keep it pin straight even if I am in conditions that would otherwise revert it. So at this point, I'll go ahead and speak a little bit less and let you watch the detangling process. One thing that you may notice is I kind of pick at my hair at some points in the detangling. I don't always just run the comb right through, and I don't always comb from ends to roots. What I do is I usually go like to the middle of my hair. I begin detangling it, and then if I run into a tangle, I'll pick it loose before I slide the comb through. And for me, whether my hair is natural or straight, it really does help me prevent breakage. So I'll let you watch me detangle, and then I'll have more to say when I get to the front. All right, introducing the mask. So I do realize that there are going to be demonstrations where it is more useful for me to show the front view of my hair or the side view of my hair. And normally I don't use a lot of social media or post myself on the internet. And so I decided to get a mask so I could still show full line of sight to the things that I do to my hair while creating a healthy boundary of my presence on the internet. So I do know that people are going to say, oh, that's Nisha. I recognize her voice, or I recognize her personality, or I definitely know that girl when they come across this video. And I'm fine with that. I'm also fine with someone I meet when I'm out and about complimenting my hair and me referring them to the site. I'm not trying to specifically hide my identity as much as I am just looking to have a healthy boundary of my presence on the internet. I will be using the mask with the intentions of keeping this channel focused on my hair care and my hair stories. Alright, so I am reaching the end of detangling my hair. My hair is slightly damp from the Olaplex 6 being applied and smoothed through with the comb, but it is not wet enough to revert it. I am taking 1 pump of my Moroccan oil serum. I can use any serum that's lightweight, but I like the Moroccan oil. And I'm just putting a light coating on like the last 3 to 4 inches of my hair. And then I'm going to put whatever's left over across the top. And I will wait about 2 hours to let the Moroccan oil and the creamy moisturizer to penetrate my hair and fully dry. And I'll come back and show you the outcome. Alright, it's about 2 hours later and now my hair is fully dried. It is no longer stiff at the roots and is soft from root to tip. I would have no issues wearing my hair down or styled as desired over the next week. The final demonstration in this video is how I put my hair away at night before I go to bed. I grip my hair as if I'm putting it in a low ponytail, but instead of putting it in a ponytail, I'm going to take my finger and use it like a hook at the base of my neck to wrap my ponytail around my head as if my head is a roller. Once I have my hair wrapped around my head, I'm just going to take a wrap or a wrap band and I am going to secure my hair in place. Once my hair is secured in place, I'm going to take my hair bonnet, put it on the top, and sleep that way. So when I take my shower, I'll just put a shower cap on it. And then in the morning, I'll just comb it down and go. Before I go, I just want to thank you for watching my video. And if you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening.